Hello there, it's Derek again, and then welcome to Tidbits. So today I'm about to talk to you about how you can make extra income online. How to make money online is something very cool you can get as your side hustle, and it's really going to be helpful. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Like this video, then share it to anyone who also want to grow online and then make money online. So there are a lot of ways in making money online, and you can make money online through affiliate links, Shopify, and a whole lot. But I want to show you guys how you can make money online through affiliate links. So I'm going to go to my PC, right, and then I'll show you some websites where you can use the affiliate links to generate money. But first of all, let me explain what the affiliate links are. The affiliate links are links which you share to people who actually would buy the stuffs or buy a product through the link you shared, and when they buy the product, you are going to get a commission out of whatever they buy. So if you are cool and then you feel this is going to work for you, it's a bit helpful, then you can follow what I'm doing, and then you'll be able to sign up, and then you'll be able to generate some extra income from whatever links you share to other people. So I'm going to go to my PC and then show you some websites you can make money online from them. So I'm going to talk to you about 3 affiliate websites I have tried and I know of, so that you guys will be able to also follow whatever I'm doing. So if you want to sign up with Clickbank, you just come to the website clickbank.com and then you hit on sign up, right? And then the sign up page will pop up and you do your necessary stuff you're supposed to do. But mind you, if you want to sign up with Clickbank and you are not in a location where Clickbank is not supposed to work, you just have to get yourself a VPN. That is why I have turned my VPN on, because in my country I can't get Clickbank. So if I turn my VPN on, I can just sign in and then open my page. So you see, this is my Clickbank name and then password. So I just hit sign in and it will just open my Clickbank page, and you guys will be able to see how the interface and everything works on Clickbank. Okay, so this is how Clickbank looks like. So if you want to go to where you can promote a product, you go to marketplace right here. You just hit on the niche you want to promote. So you see we have a lot of niches here. Let's go to health and fitness, and then you just come here, you see promote. When you promote, that means when someone buys this product, you're just gonna get $104 out of it. So you hit on promote and then it will give you a pop-up page, and you generate your hop link here. This is the hop link you are going to use. So you copy this link, right, and then you can share to anyone and then tell them about whatever product you are trying to promote, and if they like it, they'll just hit on your link and then they purchase, and then you get this money out of whatever you promoted. Okay, so the next one I want to talk about is Amazon Associates. So this is how Amazon Associates 2 looks like, and these are the products they've recommended for me at the moment. And if you feel like you want to search for anything, any product you want to promote, you can just search for them around here and then you'll be able to promote it. So with Amazon Associates 2, you just get a link here, click get link, and it will give you a pop-up page too. So I have turned my VPN on and I think it's preventing me from opening my Amazon Associates. So I think let me turn it off and then we see what's up, and hit on it and let's see how it's gonna work for me out here too. Okay, so you see my page has opened now. So this is how it looks like. If I want to get a link of my Amazon product, you see it right here. There's it. So I can go back and then show you how you get a link. You can just copy this and then embed it in your website. You feel like you want to promote whatever you want to promote, and it's cool. Like people will just purchase whatever they want to purchase. You can come here and then hit on text only, and then there's short link, and then you just pick this link and then you share to whoever you think you want to share to them, so that if they purchase, you also get your commission out of it. The next one I want to talk about is Bluehost. Bluehost is actually an affiliate website that helps people to purchase a domain to start up a website. And with Bluehost, when you open the page like this, you just have to go down and then click on affiliates right here, and then when you click on affiliate, the affiliate website is going to open. So you see Bluehost, it's open. Let me see if I'll be able to sign up and then show you mine. Okay, so I log in. Okay, so you see Bluehost. Yeah, this is how Bluehost also looks like, and your links are here, and then you just copy them and then you'll be able to promote it. If someone purchases with my link, this link, I'm gonna get $65 out of it. So that is how Bluehost also works. There are a lot of affiliate marketing websites you guys can try. You see the money I had so far, total balance due, that is $65. There are a lot of websites you guys can try your hands on. You come here and then you check out the top affiliate websites, and then you'll be able to just play around with them. Go to the website, check on which one you think they have very cool stuffs. You know, we have shares sale, that's what most people use, and I don't know of this, so I can't talk more about that. And Amazon Associates, eBay partners, I think it's gonna be like Amazon Associates. So Shopify affiliates program too, I think I know a bit about that one too. Clickbank is what I taught you guys, so you can just try your hands on whichever one you think maybe it's gonna be helpful for you. So after you sign up with these affiliate links, it's now left with how you can share your links so that people will be able to reach you and then purchase from your affiliate links. And you can do that by commenting on bigger platforms, maybe in forums. You can check on Google and then find some forums talking about whatever product you are actually promoting, right? So you can check on forums. Maybe if it's health, you can check on health forums on Google. If it's soccer, you can check on soccer forums on Google, and you'll be able to promote whatever you are promoting over there. You can also come to YouTube and then look at the niche you're actually promoting, something that is a bit related to whatever, a channel that is a bit related to whatever you are promoting, and then you share your links through the comments. Maybe you'll be like, okay, so I tried this out and it's really worked for me, and I think it's going to be helpful for you people. That is when the video you are actually commenting is talking about a product that is a bit related to whatever you are sharing over there. And also it's going to be a bit spammy, and then people are not going to click on it. So I think that is a good way. I think you'll be able to just share your affiliate links, and it's going to be helpful if maybe someone ever clicks on it and then they purchase from your links, and then you start getting some money out of them. So that is how people make money online. So basically, I actually became a YouTuber when I tried searching online, trying to make money online, right? I was always on YouTube learning skills on how to make money online, how to start affiliate marketing, how to start a Shopify account, and I was always online, always researching and all. I went on YouTube, listened to a lot of YouTubers, YouTube gurus who talk about how to make money online, and trust me, it was helpful. It wasn't helpful in a way. There are advantages and disadvantages of whatever I'm telling you right here, and I think the disadvantages are more than the advantages right now if you have no audience and you're trying to promote your affiliate links. So this is how it is. If you go to someone's YouTube channel, right, and then you post a comment with a link embedded in it, there are disadvantages and advantages. The person can actually have a sentence checked, and then it will be able to block every link you share over there, and the links wouldn't reach anywhere. Immediately you post it, it will be flagged as a spam, and it will be deleted automatically. So that is how it works. And this is because you don't have audience for yourself, and then you are using someone's audience, and the person is not really happy about this, because maybe the person might be also promoting his or her own affiliate links, and you want to come and spoil his party. Are you getting it? So the person is not going to allow it. So what I want to advise you guys is, before you start anything online, any affiliate link online, affiliate marketing online, Shopify shop online, what I want to tell you guys is you need to get a YouTube channel. Trust me, it's very helpful. I'll show you evidence or shots of YouTubers, how much YouTubers are making online, and trust me, you can make money online from YouTube, and you can make money online from your affiliate links. So this is like a win-win game. So I want to share my journey on how my affiliate links helped me, and let's see. I started sharing my affiliate links online on YouTube channels without even having a YouTube channel, and trust me, I had it for about 6 months and no one purchased from it. One morning I woke up and I saw someone purchased from my Bluehost affiliate link, and I decided to just withdraw the money because I needed it to do something. And trust me, you know what they told me? They told me to get another person purchasing with the link so that I'll be able to withdraw the money. I can't withdraw the money if I just have one person purchasing the domain with my link. So I need to have about 2 people in a bed before I'll be able to withdraw it. Trust me, it was very, very hard. I created that affiliate link for about 6 months before getting one person to purchase with it. And you think this is going to be helpful? You're going to sit there for about a year to get, let's say, approximately 2 people to purchase, and you're going to get about $120. How are you going to pay your bills? How are you going to pay your rent? How are you going to do a lot of stuff? How are you going to keep up? How are you going to make a living out of that? So getting a YouTube channel, you're actually going to create an audience who are gonna like whatever you do. And trust me, creating a YouTube channel is not very difficult. It's difficult when you're trying to lie about whatever you create on there. When you're talking about the real stuff, the real deal on your YouTube channel, people are gonna like you. They're gonna like anything you post, everything you share. They're gonna like it, and it will help your channel to grow. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, try to be real. Try to promote whatever you are promoting. Try to talk to them about whatever you really know, whatever you think you are doing. You know how to do it very best. If you don't even know how to do it best, do research on whatever you want to create, and then I bet you people are going to love you. You're going to get audience. You create an affiliate link, and they are going to like whatever you post to them, and they will be like, oh, this guy is very real, so I think let me try this link, and you're going to make money out of that. I have a lot of people, cool people who are making money out of that. Annie Dube is one, Catherine Manning is one, and they are making tons of money out of their YouTube channel. So create a YouTube channel, get your audience, create an affiliate link, share to them, and you're going to love it. So I'm sure right now someone might be asking questions like, how am I going to create a YouTube channel and then get tons of traffic to my YouTube channel, getting people to come to my YouTube channel? That is why I'm here. I'm actually helping you guys to get a YouTube channel, know how to create a channel, do everything that is going to make your channel successful, give the necessary tips I know that has helped me, and I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to be very, very open to everyone who who want to know about whatever, you can hit me up on Instagram as Stitches, right? So that you'll be able to just talk to me about anything you feel like you want to know. I'm not gonna take any money from anyone. It's free. I'm not gonna take anything. I just want to help you. We both help each other and then we grow together. Are you getting it? So just hit me up if you feel you have something that is baffling you, you feel you want someone to talk to about. You can hit me up on Instagram and then we'll be able to share ideas, and I'll show you a little bit of whatever I know, and then you'll be able to get your YouTube channel and then you start making money out of that. When you are able to just reach the monetization zone, you'll be part of YouTube partner, which is very, very easy. You can do it easily. That is when you are creating content that is very cool and you devote your time, you give yourself some time that you know this is what you want to do, you are paying attention to it, you're gonna make it. Trust me, you're gonna make it. So just hit me up on Instagram if you want to know more about everything. I get in it, and I'm gonna help you guys step by step on how you can create a YouTube channel. I have a lot of videos on how you can create a YouTube channel. You can check through my videos and then you'll be able to just know how to create a YouTube channel, how to optimize your videos, gain a lot of views, gain subscribers. And if you have any difficulties, if you feel like you're not getting anything well, just hit me up on Instagram and I'll show you guys what you have to do. So with this, after you are done creating your YouTube channel, you get your subscribers coming to you about 500 and above, close to 1,000. You can start sharing your affiliate links to them. Tell them about whatever you are sharing. When you are creating a video, you can devote about 10 seconds or 20 seconds of whatever you are promoting as your affiliate. You can just share to them on your video you are creating, and then they will be like, oh, this thing is cool, and then they will try to purchase or maybe then share to someone who is interested in that kind of link, and you know, it can start getting you money from there. So if this video was helpful, it was very insightful, and it has really enlightened you on how to make money online, how to do a lot of things, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I post Mondays, Wednesdays, and then Fridays. Mondays and Wednesdays for YouTube tips, and then Fridays for app reviews and then new apps you can use to enjoy your phone. And then catch you in the next one.